Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Leena Naik. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Locals of Kortalim demands diversion of heavy traffic from Verna Highway, hands over memorandum to Alina Saldana. Cabinet decides to appoint Chetan Pandit for technical recommendation for solving the Madai River issue. And women should stay focused in what they do and be passionate of their work, American Judge Bernadette D'Souza. Now the news in detail. Furious locals of Kortalim came on road to protest against the accident that crushed the 15-year-old to death. The locals also handed over the memorandum to Forest Minister Alina Saldana to divert the heavy traffic from Verna Highway. Forest Minister Alina Saldana assured the people to solve the issue as soon as possible by taking Chief Minister and Transport Minister in confidence. Kiran Borkar reports from Kortalim for RDX Goa.
Need to divert heavy traffic from this road. Kortali-Lotoli road is too narrow to contain these heavy tankers that keep plying at all odd hours. So this traffic has to be diverted to the bypass road through the Verna Industrial Estate. I know that is that. Yeah. I'm going to take up that issue.
The road is required to be connected to the local.
one way केले, so you can divert the traffic that side. Time being. Main road. One way केले. By the time Madam will complete this stretch.
You have to see that they ply, and you have to see that the children have transport to come back home. Especially in afternoon hours, without lunch, they're waiting, they're hungry with no transport in sight. Now, I've got the memorandum given to me in my hand, and from here I'm going straight to the Secretariat. I'm going to meet CM to keep him updated about what has happened, and also to ensure that CM also intervenes so that immediate action is taken to see that this road, the Kortali-Lotoli road, which is very narrow, is made safe for the pedestrians, because too many tragedies have taken place, and we are going to work hard to set things right. Okay. Now we are also going to. I'm also going to talk to the Transport Minister and request him to see that the flow of heavy traffic is stopped along the Kortali-Lotoli road, because it is very narrow road. Okay. Instead, it could be diverted through the bypass road through the Verna Industrial Estate. However, there is a small obstacle there in the fact that there is a small stretch of the road that needs to be done up. So I'm going to take that also to the Transport Minister and request him to see that this stretch is done up so that the traffic can be diverted and this road becomes safer. I have also requested the traffic police to ensure that there are traffic police constables kept at strategic locations, especially near schools, at the required hours, that is in the morning from 7 to 8:30 and in the afternoon from 1:30 to 2:30.
Cabinet have taken decision to appoint Central Water Commission's retired member Chetan Pandit for technical recommendation for solving the Madai River issue, informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. RDX Goa Bureau Report.
Chetan Pandit, member Central Water Commission, retired, आता retired झालो. ताका technical consultant म्हणून कॅबिनेटान मादयच्या इश्यूचेर टेक्निकल कंसल्टंट अपॉइंट केलो आमी, ताका पोस्टाचो अप्रूवल दिला. अपॉइंट ऑलरेडी केलो बिकॉज इट इज टू अर्जंट मॅटर टू वेट फॉर द बंद. मादयचे उदक जे आसा ते भितर 4-5 प्रकार आसा. एक म्हणजे कर्नाटकान अनेक नद्यो आहा, 12 नद्यो आहा, ताचे उदक वापरले ते न्हंयक वता. दुसरे पिवपाक जाय म्हणटा आनी पिवपाक फक्त हाफ TMC जाय, मात्र 7.5 TMC डायवर्ट करूंक शकता. इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालूच असता कोर्टान थारायलें सुद्दां जाल्यार म्हणजे ते हट्टाक पेटल्यासारखे कितें कितें करीत आसता सगळीं त्यामुळे पयलीं कर्नाटका कडेन उदक भरपूर अवेलेबल आसा ते पिवोवपाक आनी हे डायवर्शन हे तांची एक कॉन्स्पिरसी प्रत्येक गजाल आपली अशी ल्हान भुरग्याचो हट्ट आसता तशें करपाची हो ताजो एक भाग ताजेर सगळें डॉक्युमेंटेशन करप दुसरो म्हत्वाचो भाग आहा की उदक जें सकयल येता ताजो परिणाम गोंयच्या पूर्ण पिवपाचें उदक न्हय दर्या पर्यंत सगळ्या हाजेर जावंक शकता भायर.
Young women should stay focused in what they do and be passionate of their work, said American Judge Bernadette D'Souza. KPIM MLA and other locals welcomed her as she arrived at Dabolim Airport. She even expressed her wish to visit High Court of Goa. Kiran Borkar reports from KPIM for RDX Goa.
I got elected 2 years ago in the United States as the first Goan judge. We have a civil law system in America, the state that I come from in Louisiana, and I think it's exciting because as a woman I got elected in a city. I think streamlining the docket is what I do basically in the United States. I have no idea about the court system here, but I hope to visit some of the high court specifically and get a general idea of what is going on here and hope to be able to help. What I would like to tell young women is to stay focused on what they're doing, to get an education, to be passionate about the work they do, and eventually they can realize their dreams that can come true.
केपेची सुपुत्र याची मोठी मोठी पदाचेर जेन्ना अमेरिके सारख्या स्टेटी कंट्री भितर जज म्हणून काम करता आसतना मोठे उच्च पदाचेर पावप अमेरिके सारख्या कंट्री भितर जज म्हणून काम करप हे ल्हान गजाल न्ही हे आमकां गर्व आसा म्हणून तुका आमी गोंय केपेकाराच्या वतीन गोंयकाराच्या वतीन येवकार दिता सगळे केपेकार तुजो सत्कार भोवमान आमी घेवन हाडटा.
More news will follow after a short break.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi. $25 conference room, one-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and multi-cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosle, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Hey, why are you so gloomy?
Array, getting mad to locate what to give to my parents. I had to give my insurance premium this month, so the budget is also limited.
No problem, dear. You're probably not following the newspapers.
Why? What happened? What's special in the newspaper?
It's emotions, emotions and only emotion. An exclusive new brand store with all imported gift items, glassware, novelties, home decor, etc.
First time in Goa, you get 10% discount on any purchase. Get an assured suit length or kitchenware on any purchase over ₹2,000 only. You get a complimentary dining voucher for 2 packs worth ₹1,000.
Don't you feel it's one-stop location for all your needs?
Can you take me there now only?
Let's go.
Correctly said, it's the first time in Goa.
Just unbelievable and awesome.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स. धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अनगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन दंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय. मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर, पदवरी, गोवा येथे.
Welcome back. The last rituals were performed on Vijaya Pagi on Wednesday. The body was taken into custody by her family on late Wednesday night. No arrests have been done in this case even after 7 days. Babesh Borkar reports from Kankon for RDX Goa. Providing infrastructure to the urban area is a big challenge, said Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza. He was speaking at the workshop organized by Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India. Yashwant Parab reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
And one of the biggest problems the local urban bodies face is migration. Migration coming into towns and cities from the neighboring areas. The rural people feel that the urban people are better off. There are better facilities like good markets, hospitals, transport, education. Everything is good in the urban areas, they feel. So they leave the villages and come into towns. The towns and the cities are getting more crowded. How do we find solutions to this? We have to target the population to go back. We cannot take the whole of India into Mumbai. It's not possible. If the whole of India becomes good in infrastructure, people won't find a reason to migrate. We have to improve our services. It has to be the best. Urban infrastructure is a big challenge. And spending money itself is not enough. the quality of the work, the quality of the infrastructure. Money has to be well spent. Prime Minister of a country says that only 20% of the money reaches the common man. Who can question that? So how we improve these things, I really feel it's a big challenge for us. But if we are sincere, honest and dedicated, I think we can overcome any challenges in this world.
The aim of the Eco Yatra photo exhibition was to mirror the beauty of Creator through pictures, said Father Thomas Lobo. He was speaking on the occasion of his first photo exhibition at Central Library, part of Panjim. Yashwant Parab reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
हे आमचे एक्झिबिशन ताका हांवें नांव दिलां इको यात्रा आनी गोंय म्हणल्यार एक सैमाचो सोर देखून म्हाका दाखोवंक जाय आसलें ह्या एक्झिबिशना वरवीं देवान कितलें आमचें सोबीत गोंय रचलां पळय तें. एवरी पिक्चर मिरर्स द ब्युटी ऑफ द क्रिएटर. इको यात्रा एक्झिबिशना वरवीं एके भाशेन हांव दिता एक संदेश कसो. हें आमचें पयलेंच पब्लीक एक्झिबिशन आमी केलां. आदी आमी जायते अशे फोटो काडल्यात पूण तशें एक्झिबिशन करपाचें आमी चिंतूंक नासलें.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
कसलोय समारंभ आसूं वा कसलोय सुवाळो आसूं सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजे प्रमाण आमी ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागीं बेती.
Saloni ladies wear. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center. Specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansolem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterer.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरवाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरवाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. School students should make proper use of the Balrath buses provided by government to them, said Sawadem MLA Ganesh Gaukar. He was speaking after handling over the Balrath bus to government school at Shigaon, Kollam. Local Sarpanch, Panchayat members, teachers and other dignitaries were present. Akshay Sawadekar reports from Kollam. Collecting mud samples and farming equipments from all over the state is in process for the construction of statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at Gujarat. This program was held at Kollam Panchayat. Eknath Khedekar reports from Kollam.
प्रोग्राम हांगासर घडोवन हाडपा कारण की सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल जे एक आमचे एक व्हडले थोर नेते जावन गेले स्वातंत्र्य देशाचे भारत देशाचे ते भारताचे स्वातंत्र्य देशाक त्यांनी खूप मोठीशी चळवळ उबारली आणि त्या चळवळींतल्यान ते एक योग लोह पुरुष जावन गेले म्हणजे द आयर्न मॅन ऑफ इंडिया म्हणून ताका एक लोकांनी संबोधीत अशी एक पदवी दिली आयर्न मॅन ऑफ इंडिया लोह पुरुष आणि ते एक शेतकऱ्यांचे एक नेते आशिल्ले म्हणून आयज जे एक व्हडलो तो पुतळो गुजराताक सरोवर बांदाचेर बांदपाक चालू केलो म्हणजे काम चालू जातलें तेजेर खातीर एक अवजार अशें म्हणजे शेतकऱ्यांचे एक अवजार लोखंड आणि माती शेतकरी वर्गा कडल्यान आनी आयर वर्गा कडल्यान सुद्दां थंय एक मागयलेली आसा आणि त्या खातीर आमी हो एक प्रोग्राम व्हडलो एक दवरलेलो आसा तेका आमकां भरघोस एक असो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो आनी लोकांनी आपले आपले अवजार हांगासर बॉक्सार आमकां घातलेले आसात तशेंच माती आमी कलेक्ट करतले आणि ती मागीर आमी धाडून दितले.
Before we wind up, here is the quick recap of the headlines. Locals of Kortalim demands diversion of heavy traffic from Verna Highway, hands over memorandum to Alina Saldana. Cabinet decides to appoint Chetan Pandit for technical recommendation for solving the Madai River issue. And women should stay focused in what they do and be passionate of their work, American Judge Bernadette D'Souza. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.